Hey everybody, I'm coming back with another wig review. I've actually had this wig for about 1.5 to 2 months, and I wanted to see how it held up, and it has held up pretty well. So I wanted to give you a review of it after I've had it a while. It actually is a Bobby, let me see, Bobby Boss. And it is Yara, Y-A-R-A, in the number 2. And the number on it is MLF 136. Okay, so the wig comes in that plastic bag, comes in a netting with this inside the wig to keep its shape. This as well. I got this wig in this color. It looks like more of a number 4, but then there's some darker number 2 highlights right here because I watched another YouTube video and I just thought it was beautiful. The only issue I had is I didn't want the number 4 up here. So what I did with this wig is I took a felt pen and I took some mascara and I took some powder that's supposed to be, you know, to fill in the edges with color, and I darkened the top of it, and I also plucked a little bit of the part. So let me get closer for you to see, and then I put some excuse me, put some makeup on the other side of the wig. Let me see if I can lift it a little bit. See, you can see a little bit of the makeup there. That I put on the other side. It's the type of makeup that I use as highlighter under my eyes when I actually wear makeup. I'm not wearing any right now except for just did my brows. So let me get closer. Okay, and this has 2 combs on the side and 1 in the back. I'm not using any combs. I just have a light colored cap. And I put this on because I don't want the combs to further obliterate my edges that are already having some issues. Okay, so let me show you the hair. This is actually all the hair. I have it pulled up front, so it's not like really full. So let me show it to you. See, it comes just past my breast, and you can see it's two-toned. Okay, let me turn around so you can see that I have the hair pulled, but let me do this so you can see how long it is. Okay, now you saw how long it is. I'm pulling it back in front. I just like it all in front because with long hair it can get really tangly in the back. Okay, I've had this hair, let me kind of separate it a little better. I've had this hair for close to 2 months, and I've washed it 3 times, and the last time was actually yesterday. And I swished it around in cold water in the sink, make sure I didn't tangle it, and then I put some deep conditioner on it. That was the first time. It was like silicone-based conditioner, and I let it sit overnight, and then I rinsed it out in the morning and let it dry. But I've also washed it and let it sit for a couple of hours with fabric softener since this is synthetic. So I think it's holding up pretty well. Look at the waves. They still look good. And I've just done a little touch up with adding the dark felt, permanent marker at the top to make it look like I have dark roots. And I've put just a little dab of makeup to try to make it go in with my complexion. So I'd have to say that this wig is holding out. There's times I've worn it every day and I do not sleep in it. I take it off at night. And then sometimes I just pull it to one side and put a braid on it and throw a hat on so I don't have to worry about all this. but it's lasting a while. So for a synthetic wig, I'd say it's 2 thumbs up. So, and if you want to know how to add darkened roots with a felt tip pen, there are plenty of YouTube videos that'll tell you how to do that. So I didn't have to do that much. Again, I just plucked a little bit, put some of my makeup, use a felt tip pen and mascara to darken the roots. That's it. Okay. I hope this has helped you decide whether you want to get it too or not. And I don't remember where I got it. I might have got it on Amazon or Sam's Beauty or Elevate Styles. Soon as I figure that out, I'll put it out. I'll put it in the description for you, and I'll even put a link. Okay. So also, I really appreciate it if you'd give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Okay. Have a good one.